On the road in Southampton, it's still pretty blustery as well, but the front that we had this morning that's brought the change in air, that's starting to clear away. There's still quite a bit of cloud on the horizon here in Southampton, but all that cloud is shifting its way south into France, and it's going to be a cold wind that's plunging its way south today across the British Isles. Chilly for Jenny Bond and chilly for all of us if you're out today. You can see the front quite nicely actually on the satellite picture here. It gave a little bit of rain this morning, still giving some rain now across parts of France, Germany, across the Baltic states. And as that front continues to plunge its way south during the next couple of days, it'll bring quite a marked drop in temperature to the Alps, some fresh snow here tomorrow, and eventually that cold air tucking in across the Balkans. So cold and wintry for Central Europe. For us, though, things starting to turn milder again over the next day or so. Let's just take a look at what we've got at the moment. There is some decent sunshine around, but still some showers. In fact, we've had fairly frequent snow showers for eastern Scotland. Also some showy weather now just coming into the east coast of England, and one or two for Antrim and Down, and running down through the Cheshire Gap into the Midlands. So some areas catching a few showers. Many places will be dry, though, with some decent sunshine. But it will feel cold if you're out. In fact, turning colder across more southern counties this afternoon. Only around 9 Celsius in Cardiff, 11 for Southampton, and up to the north around freezing for Lerwick in Shetland. Really quite a chill. And tonight, with clear skies, a widespread frost. A very cold night across all parts of the British Isles. But it does look as though temperatures will lift later in the night across Ireland and western Scotland. And here we're going to see some rain arriving later on too on these weather fronts, and the winds picking up from the southwest. Elsewhere, though, a cold night with some fog. In fact, it does look as though the cold weather will hang on for much of the day tomorrow across central and eastern parts of England. Some sunshine. For the rest of us, though, the mild air will start to come back in again. So temperatures on the rise across Ireland, Wales, up into Scotland. Some rain pushing in as well. Quite wet, I think, through tomorrow afternoon. And eventually that milder air and the rain pushing right across the British Isles through Friday night. Hopefully the wettest weather getting away, so that by Saturday, if you've got plans, it won't be too bad. There'll be a good deal of cloud around. It will feel milder, but some areas, I think, especially to the west, could catch a little drizzle. By the time we get to Sunday, more rain comes in. In fact, it does look as though we'll have quite an active front bringing some wet weather across Ireland and Scotland. Down to the south, you'll probably get away with a good deal of dry weather, but by the time we get to Monday, that front pushing right across into the east. That's your weather. Back to you, George.